Hello, hello, hello! Welcome back to Naomi's Corner. Today, I will be sharing with you a very delicious chicken recipe, and that is creamy chicken Caesar. And we will be using the crown jewel of Saladmaster, the wonderful electric skillet, the 12-inch electric skillet. And our ingredients are 46 boneless chicken thighs, 1.5 freshly grated Parmesan cheese, 1 tub of cherry tomatoes, 1.5 cup of our sour cream, ground peppers to taste, and 1/4 cup of Caesar salad dressing. Now let's start cooking. So now I'm going to sprinkle my chicken thighs with these black peppers. Okay, and then you can also use chicken breast, chicken wings, chicken legs, whatever chicken you may have, because this recipe is perfect for any parts of the chicken. Now, freshly grated Parmesan cheese, just on top, maybe half a cup of this ready shredded Parmesan cheese. While we are doing that, we are ready to combine the remainder of our ingredients. So we're going to add our sour cream. Okay, and of course, our Caesar salad. Okay. Now we're mixing the salad dressing, which is the Caesar salad dressing, and our sour cream together. Now, once you think that it's already blended, we are ready to cook. And you don't have to preheat your electric skillet. It is a cold pan. So before I start placing my chicken thighs here, I'm just gonna cover my my electric skillet with a little bit of my remainder of the Caesar dressing, just enough to cover the bottom portion of your electric skillet. Okay, so now once that you have already covered your electric skillet with the Caesar dressing, it's time for us to place our chicken. This is a chicken thigh. You can also use chicken breast. Like what I said, it's a cold pan. Okay, I'm telling you, it's going to be a very delicious meal. Okay, so now that our chicken, the chicken thighs is all set in our electric skillet, now we can cover them with the combined mixture of your sour cream and the Caesar dressing. Okay, look at this. This is going to be a phenomenal hit in your family because this recipe is just so easy. Okay, and then we're just gonna cover the entire chicken just like so. Okay, so once your chicken is covered with that combined mixture, we are ready to throw in our cherry tomatoes. By the way, you can also add some frozen vegetables if you want more vegetables on top of this, but right now I'm just using cherry tomatoes. Okay, wow, this is going to be a great dish for the family. Okay, and then we're going to top it up with a little bit of Parmesan before we set up the heat. And all we need to do is set the temperature to 350 degrees, okay? And then cook it for about 18 minutes, and your creamy chicken Caesar is all set and ready for your family. Love, love, love. Cover it, and then set the temperature 350 degrees. And once the vapor bulb starts clicking, you reduce the heat and then cook it for another 18 minutes. Wow, can you hear that? The magical vapor bulb is now clicking. So it's time for us to reduce the heat from 350 to 275 degrees and cook it for 18 minutes. And after that, your creamy chicken Caesar is ready for your family. Wow, now 18 minutes are up. We are ready to check on our delicious creamy chicken Caesar. Okay, so let's open this. Wow, look at that. It looks great. It smells great. We're gonna rest the chicken for 5 minutes before we serve it. And after that, you can garnish it with your parsley or cilantro. Enjoy! Don't forget to like and subscribe to Naomi's Corner for more delicious recipes using Saladmaster. Stay amazing!